Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
I am very energetic today.
Hello, Adam. Hello, everyone. I am Sarah. Why are you so energetic, Adam?
I walked to the studio today. The fresh air woke me up.
You walked. Wow, that is good exercise. I am too lazy to walk.
Walking is great, but today we talk about moving. We talk about getting around the city.
This is a useful topic. We all need to travel. We go to work, we go to school.
Exactly. We call this movement transportation.
Yes, cars, buses, trains. There are many ways to move.
Sarah, tell me, how do you get to work?
I usually take the bus. My office is far away.
You usually take the bus. Do you always take it?
No, not always. Sometimes I am late. Then I take a taxi.
Ah, taxis are faster, but they are expensive.
Yes, very expensive. So I rarely take a taxi, maybe once a month.
Rarely. That is a good word. It means not often.
Yes, I try to save my money. I never take a taxi if I have time.
Listeners, did you hear those words? Usually, sometimes, rarely, never.
These are adverbs of frequency. They tell us how often.
Yes, they are very important for daily routines.
Adam, what about you? Do you drive a car?
I sometimes drive, but I hate traffic. Traffic makes me angry.
Traffic is terrible in the city. Cars stop, cars wait. It is boring.
So I often ride my bicycle. It is fun and free.
A bicycle? Is it safe? The city is dangerous.
It is a little dangerous. I must be careful. I wear a helmet always.
Good. Safety is important. You always wear a helmet.
Yes, and I never listen to music on the bike. I need to hear the cars.
That is smart. I listen to music on the bus. I always sit by the window.
Ooh, the window seat is the best. You can watch the city.
Yes, I see people walking, I see shops opening. It is nice.
What verbs do we use for the bus, Sarah? Do we drive the bus?
No, we are passengers. We take the bus or we catch the bus.
Right, we catch the bus. And if we are late?
Then we miss the bus. That is a bad feeling.
I missed the bus. Oh no. Then you must wait.
I often wait for 20 minutes. The buses are slow.
Waiting is boring. What do you do while you wait?
I usually check my phone or I read a book.
See? Usually, you have a routine.
Adam, do you ever take the subway, the underground train?
I occasionally take the subway, only when it rains.
Occasionally. That means sometimes, right?
Yes, from time to time. I don't like the subway. It is dark.
And it is crowded. Too many people. I feel like a sardine.
A sardine in a can. That is a funny image.
People push and shove. I never find a seat.
You never sit down? You always stand?
Yes, I always stand. My legs get tired.
Poor Sarah. Maybe you should buy a bicycle.
Maybe, but I am scared of falling.
You can practice. We can go to the park.
That is a nice idea. A park is safe, no cars.
Okay, it is a plan. We will ride bikes this weekend.
Yay, I'm excited. But wait, we need to teach some words.
You are right. We are having too much fun. Time for vocabulary.
I love this part. We have 3 big words today.
These words are about city travel. Are you ready?
I am ready. What is the first word, Adam?
The first word is commute. C-O-M-M-U-T-E.
I hear this word a lot. My commute is long.
Yes, commute is your journey to work or school.
So, the time I spend on the bus is my commute.
Exactly. It is a regular journey. You do it every day.
Okay, definition. The regular trip from home to work.
Perfect. My commute is short. Your commute is long.
I want a short commute. Maybe I should move houses.
Good luck with that. What is the second word? The second word is rush hour. 2 words. R-U-S-H-H-O-U-R.
Ooh, I hate this thing. Rush hour.
Rush hour is the time when everyone travels, usually morning and evening.
The roads are full, the buses are full, everyone is rushing.
Yes, it is the busy time of day, 8 a.m. and 5 p.m.
I try to avoid rush hour. I leave work late.
Smart move. Definition: the busy time when people travel to work.
Got it. Commute, rush hour. What is number 3?
The third word is pedestrian. P-E-D-E-S-T-R-I-A-N.
That is a long word, pedestrian. Who is a pedestrian?
A pedestrian is a person walking on the street.
So if I get off the bus and walk, I am a pedestrian.
Yes, you are not a driver, you are not a passenger, you are a walker.
Cars must stop for pedestrians, right?
Yes, they must stop. Pedestrians have safety rules too.
Definition: a person who is walking in the city.
Excellent. Commute, rush hour, pedestrian.
Those are great words. I feel smarter.
You are smart. Now let's practice verbs of movement again.
Okay, let's play a quick game.
A game? I love games. How do we play?
You say a vehicle, you say the verb.
Okay, I'm ready. Challenge accepted.
Number 1, bike.
Easy. Ride. I ride my bike.
Correct. Number 2, car.
Drive. I drive my car.
Correct. Number 3, plane.
Fly. Pilots fly planes. Passengers take planes.
Very good. Number 4, bus.
We said this. Take or catch or get on.
Yes. And when we leave the bus?
We get off. I get off at the next stop.
Perfect. You win the game, Adam.
Woohoo! What is my prize?
Your prize is a high five.
Slap. Thank you.
Adam, I have a question about get on and get in.
Ah, this is tricky. It confuses many students.
Yes. Why do we say get on the bus but get in the car?
Here is a simple rule. Can you stand up and walk?
On a bus? Yes, I can walk.
Then you get on. You get on a bus. You get on a train.
On a plane? Yes, I can walk. So I get on a plane.
Exactly. Now think about a car. Can you stand up?
No, the roof is too low. I must sit.
Then you get in. You get in a car. You get in a taxi.
Wow, that is so simple.
Yes, walk equals on, sit equals in.
Walk equals on. I will remember that.
Listeners, write that down. It is a golden rule.
English is crazy sometimes, but rules help.
It is a little crazy, but we love it.
Adam, we are almost finished.
Yes, time flies when we have fun.
Do we have homework for the listeners?
Of course we have homework.
Don't worry, listeners. It is easy homework.
We want to know about your city.
Yes. Is your city good for pedestrians?
Or is it good for cars?
And use an adverb. Tell us how often you walk.
For example, I always walk because my city is beautiful.
Or, I never walk because it is too hot.
Yes, if you live in the desert, you rarely walk.
Please write your sentence in the comments.
And tell us about your commute. Is it long? Is it short?
We read every comment. We really do.
Friends, thank you for listening today.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to practice.
Please like the video and subscribe. Join our family.
Hit the bell button for new episodes.
See you next week. Drive safely.
And walk safely. Bye-bye.